I'm Rebecca Brand, and you might have noticed I have a coffee addiction. There's now a new way for me to get my fix with the HiBREW 3-in-1 multifunction portable espresso maker. I found out about the HiBREW Espresso Maker from AliExpress. AliExpress is an amazing internet marketplace to find great deals on all kinds of things you might want in life. As a new user, you can purchase specific products for only a penny for your first order. That exclusive gift for new users covers more than 100,000 free shipping products. What an amazing deal! I'm sure you'll find something you like at AliExpress, because I sure did. And there's a new user coupon for up to $5 for any of their products. So you can pick which offer you want, the penny product or the $5 off product. For all you new users on AliExpress. In my kitchen, I can use my favorite ground of coffee. But you can also use pods, which is really fantastic if you're traveling. Many times if you're on a long car drive, you really need to get that caffeine fix to keep you awake. I love sipping hot espresso in my car. Well, it's even better now that I can make it in my car. The HiBREW 3-in-1 multifunction portable espresso maker is a portable car coffee machine. Today, I'm a passenger. I can make this while the car is in motion. It fits into the lighter adapter right in your dash, and that power is going to heat up your portable car coffee machine. And when I'm using this in my car, I'm just going to use a pod. It accepts a number of kinds of different pods. Just by having some water in a bottle and that coffee pod, I can have espresso on the go. So in just a few minutes, you can have that shot of espresso. I was traveling with my girlfriend today and she was driving the car. Well, I made my shot of espresso and then I passed it over to Jen so she could have some too. What are girlfriends for? Girls just want to have fun. Let me show you how I make this in my kitchen. It comes with all the pieces you need to make that great espresso. This is the pod that you would use if you're using your own coffee grinds. I have my special espresso blend here. So I'm just putting it in to this pod that's reusable. I'm tapping it down and put a lid on it. It snaps on really easy. And now pour your water into the top of the cup. I want you to know I pre-measure the water so you get 1/4 cup is all it takes for your espresso shot. Just in case you want to know how much water you should bring with you on the trip. And now I'm going to put the lid on it. And to make coffee where you have electricity, there is this special plug that's 110 normal household voltage. And the other end of the plug goes right into the front. So your coffee grinds now go into the receptacle, and you're just going to screw that part into the bottom of your HiBREW coffee maker and put it right into the stand. And then you put your cup it comes with right underneath and you press it on. And that's going to take about 5 minutes to make your espresso, your shot of coffee. This is a 12-volt coffee maker that's equipped with a high pressure pump. Now that pump is what you need because that's going to provide 15 bars of pressure strength. To make your espresso, you need that stable pressure because that ensures you're extracting high-quality coffee from those grinds. The bars of pressure that makes a high-quality espresso is a barometric or atmospheric pressure measure. And the barometric and atmospheric pressure measures the pressure or force that the atmosphere exerts. Simply put, it's the weight of air at sea level. The bars are a metric unit. 1 bar is approximately equal to the atmosphere pressure at sea level. And it's done. That was hardly any time at all. If you had too much pressure, like 30 bars of pressure, that's too much pressure to go through those coffee grinds. It's going to go there too fast. 9 bars is a perfect amount of pressure for the best quality of espresso. And HiBREW figured out how to put that into this little device that only weighs 1 1/3 pounds. That's amazing. Now look at that. We see the coffee creme on top. It's time for my latte. And I like a little sugar. And a little milk foam on top. Oh yeah. Well, might as well make it a latte. Because that's one of my favorite recipes in all the world. That's better than any of those specially brewed coffee shops in town. Yum. And you made it yourself with a professional machine that's portable. It's under 10 inches high and it's about 3 inches in diameter. It comes with all the electrical adapters, including one to take on a hike when you don't have any electricity at all. So when I want hot espresso, I would just use the USB cable it comes with, put it into my power bank, add hot water, and I'll just use a pod if I'm making this out in nature. And then I long press the power button switch for 2 to 3 seconds, and in 60 seconds it completes the brewing. If I wanted cold brew, I could have used room temperature water. It didn't have to be hot. It is truly amazing that now I can have the highest quality of espresso on the go. And it's so easy to clean. You just unplug it, screw off the bottom, and get the pod or your homemade pod out. Screw back the bottom, and now pour your water into the top of the cup, back on its stand, plug her back in, and the stand will tilt to how you need it when you're traveling, which I really love. In goes the cup, and do a long press for a fast cycle. And just like that, it cleans itself from the interior out. And I'm using my dirty cup today, and it automatically shuts itself off. Done, chum. Oh, and an extra spritz for good measure. It's such a simple design. The button's on the front, and the directions for each way to use it is on the back of it, which is great because you might have forgotten what you saw in this video today. My HiBREW 3-in-1 multifunction portable espresso maker arrived at my door. It came in a box with some other items I had ordered that day. I took it out of the box and set it on my counter so you could see the box it comes in. The design of the box is great because just by looking at the front picture, you can see what's going on, what you get, how it operates, and the different cable adapters it comes with. The side of the box tells you where you can use it because it's a portable car coffee machine as well. You can use it in your car or for travel, like on a plane, and in the home. And the other side of the box tells you the components. So when I opened up the cardboard box, I found a really nice travel case with a handle. It had a high quality zipper, so I unzipped it, I opened it up, and here's all the parts of it that were packaged really well, so it wouldn't get damaged during shipping. I unpacked the box and I put everything on my counter so you can see everything you get. You get the espresso maker itself, that's the cylinder, comes with a great stand, comes with the receiver cup that's going to hold your coffee, and it comes with the attachments, whether you're going to be using pods of coffee that you buy or your own coffee grinds. That's what all those little round things are. And you saw me demonstrate those here today in the video. And it comes with all the plugs you need for the electrical. It has 2 prongs and will plug into any household outlet with 110 volts. The other end plugs right in the machine as I demonstrated. And it also comes with a car adapter. And that's the part that plugs into your car. And the USB, in case you want to use it with a power bank. And I just love this set so much. So click link below to get your HiBREW 3-in-1 function portable espresso maker from AliExpress. I'm Rebecca Brown. Cheers to you. Hope you subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one of my favorites on the go with this HiBREW Portable Espresso Maker. See you next time. I think I might need another cup of coffee. If you like this recipe, here's my coffee addiction playlist. And any one of those recipes can be made with the HiBREW Espresso Maker. Click those.